Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, 2013. The main hazard over the next coming days will be the continuation of lake effect snow showers across much of northern Michigan. We'll continue to see some fairly brisk cold northwest winds downwind of Lake Superior and Lake Michigan, and that is going to keep the snow shower activity going. And will probably become a little bit more concentrated tonight across parts of the eastern UP, especially across Chippewa County, and into northwest lower Michigan as a little trough of low pressure swings across the region, and that should result in an increase in intensity of snow showers for a time tonight. And so just keep that in mind. You may run into some periods where visibilities are sharply reduced, and some continued gusty winds will result in some blowing and drifting snow as well. But first, a look at the current weather map. We find low pressure off to our northeast over eastern Canada, and that has been pumping colder air across the Great Lakes region, which has been resulting in the snow shower activity we've been seeing over the past couple of days. And that is going to continue at least through the day on Thursday before high pressure begins to build in from the west and will allow things to quiet down for the weekend. Here's the forecast weather map by Thursday night. And we see that trough of low pressure, that dashed orange line, still hanging on over the upper Great Lakes region. And so that will continue to allow snow shower activity to continue, although the intensity should decrease rather markedly as we go through the afternoon hours on Thursday and into Thursday night. And then by Friday morning, there may be a little bit of lingering light snow or flurries still around, especially across parts of northwest lower Michigan. But we should see little significant accumulation once we get pretty much past Thursday morning. So things will begin to wind down as we head into the weekend as high pressure begins to build in from the west. So again, from a hazardous perspective, through the weekend, the only thing we're really concerned about is the continuation of lake effect snow showers. And that threat for decent accumulating snowfall will continue through at least the first half of Thursday. Things will begin to quiet down on Friday, and the weekend at this point looks dry, with temperatures beginning to warm back up to something a little bit more typical for the third week of March. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. Thursday morning.